There, my name is Erin. I'm coming to you today from the Broadband office of the Arizona Commerce Authority. I wanted to do a quick demo on the process for taking a speed test using the AZ Broadband Navigator tools on our website. The first thing you'll need to do is navigate to the ACA's website. That URL is azcommerce.com. From there, we'll go ahead and click into the Broadband Resources page and then into the Arizona Broadband Equity Access and Deployment, or BEAD, website. From here, we'll navigate into the challenge process page, and then finally, we'll click on this big orange button to access the challenge process portal. Please note, it is not necessary to register for the challenge process to submit a speed test or to report a service issue. You don't have to log in, you don't have to create an account, you can do it right from this website. The first thing you'll need to do is indicate where you're taking the speed test. You can get to your address by either typing in the information up here in the box or by zooming in manually on the map to the location from which you are planning to take that speed test. It is important that you select the correct location because it will be tied to that location within our map when we complete the speed test. So once I've selected the location from which I am taking the speed test, you'll notice a bunch of new information here on the left-hand side of the screen. If I scroll down, I can click the Take a Speed Test button to access the tool. You'll want to go ahead and select if any of these aspects apply to you in your current location, whether or not you are connecting through a VPN on a mobile or wireless network, or if your network is currently being heavily used for video streaming or gaming before you conduct the test. If you select any of those options, a warning will appear telling you that speed tests work best on a stable connection, a wired connection, and without any VPN software enabled. Once you're ready to take the test, you'll click the Go button. Now, as the test is being conducted, a bunch of information is going to pop up on the screen here. You don't need to worry about keeping track of that data yourself. The website will automatically log the data that is collected through the speed test. It can take several moments or even several minutes for the speed test to be fully completed based on the connection speeds that you're currently experiencing. So if your service levels are sufficient at your location, you will not be asked to submit any further information. However, it indicates here that my speed test results show that I may not have access to a high-speed internet where I'm taking this test. So I'm going to go ahead and click the Start button to provide my contact information so that the system can remind me to take subsequent tests. You do need to take a total of 3 tests on 3 different days to complete the challenge. And so it's important that the website have your information so that it can remind you to take those subsequent tests. So once I go through and add my contact information, I will be asked to certify that I am providing correct information and doing this on my own. It also has information about the Privacy Act statement on here. Once I'm all the way done, I can go ahead and click submit and the website will take it from there. I do want to note that if when you're filling out this information, if your provider is not listed here in this dropdown, you can access additional resources through the Help tab on the Navigator website, or you can contact our office if you're still having troubles. Just a reminder, it is not necessary that you register for this site or log in to complete the speed test. And the portal automatically collects all of the results of the speed test. It is not necessary for you to record it yourself or keep track of that in any way. If you do have any further questions about the speed test process or anything else related to the challenge process, please do reach out to us. Our email address is broadband@azcommerce.com. Thanks so much and have a wonderful day.